What if I told you a building could lean 4 times more than the Tower of Pisa and still stand for 100 years? Not crumble, not tilt further with every passing decade. Stand, exactly as engineered, for generations. This isn't a mistake. This isn't a disaster waiting to happen. This is Capital Gate, and it was built to lean 18 degrees westward. Officially, the furthest leaning man-made tower on Earth, certified and verified beyond doubt. No hype, no CGI, no clever camera trickery, just raw physics, tons of steel, and one of the boldest engineering bets construction has ever seen. Today, we go inside the real construction story, step by step, from the very first survey stake in the sand to the final panel of glass. If this story keeps you hooked, consider subscribing. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to us. It begins in 2007 in Abu Dhabi, on an empty plot of desert beside the exhibition center, with an idea nobody thought was possible. The Abu Dhabi National Exhibitions Company wanted more than a building. They wanted a landmark, a symbol the world would recognize instantly. The architects at RMJM had a radical vision, a tower that would lean 18 degrees deliberately on purpose. But leaning a 160-meter tower means fighting gravity itself, and that fight begins underground. 490 piles were drilled, each one reaching 20 to 30 meters into the earth. Each pile is far more than support. It's an anchor, engineered to resist the tower's constant pull toward the west. This wasn't random drilling. Every single pile position was calculated to counter tension on the high side of the lean. Some piles were designed to resist compression, others to resist being pulled straight out of the ground. Together, they formed 490 points of resistance, hidden completely beneath the surface. On top of those piles, engineers poured a massive concrete raft, tying the entire foundation into one rigid, unified base. Thousands of tons of steel rebar reinforced that raft, built to carry an off-center load that no ordinary foundation could ever handle. Every liter of concrete poured here had one purpose, and one purpose only: to hold a leaning skyscraper in place, forever, no matter how the wind pushed or the ground shifted over time. For weeks, the site went quiet as the concrete cured underground, and the real battle hadn't even started yet. By the time the sun rose over a finished foundation, Capital Gate's true fight, the lean itself, was about to begin. Nothing had risen above ground yet, but everything that mattered had already been decided below it. If this story is blowing your mind so far, hit that subscribe button. It fuels everything we build here. With the foundation complete, the tower's spine began to rise, a central concrete core, engineered like nothing built before it. Here's the twist. This core wasn't built straight. It was built leaning the wrong way, entirely on purpose. Engineers call this technique pre-cambering, constructing the core tilted opposite to where it would eventually settle. As more weight piled on from above, gravity slowly pulled the core back toward true vertical balance. Inside, thousands of tons of steel reinforcement gave the core the strength to carry the building's enormous, eccentric weight. And the core itself isn't round. It's elliptical, shaped precisely to resist bending forces from every direction. Every few days, another slice of concrete rose, bringing the structure a few meters closer to the sky. Vertical post-tensioning cables ran the full height of the core, clamping it together under immense internal pressure. That tension did something remarkable. It actively fought the pull of gravity trying to topple the lean. By this stage, the core already stood taller than most buildings in the city, and it was still leaning the wrong way. Wind loads out here are relentless, and every meter higher meant fighting stronger gravitational and lateral forces. Engineers monitored the core constantly, tracking every millimeter of movement as it slowly straightened. At this point, Capital Gate was just a leaning concrete spine, waiting for its skeleton. But the core alone could never carry this building on its own. It needed a second system, one built entirely on the outside. Subscribing costs you 0 seconds, but it keeps this channel alive. Thank you for being here. That second system is the diagrid, a triangulated steel exoskeleton wrapped entirely around the outside of the tower. Instead of vertical columns, diagonal steel beams cross one another, forming a dense web of interlocking triangles. Every triangle in that grid shares the load with its neighbors, spreading stress evenly across the entire skin of the building. This design achieves something remarkable. It eliminates the need for internal columns altogether. And this is where the real magic begins: the staggered floor plates. From the 12th floor upward, each new level shifts outward, just 300 millimeters at first. Floor by floor, that offset grows, reaching up to 1,400 millimeters at its widest point. Stack enough of these tiny shifts on top of each other, and something extraordinary happens. The building leans. Not through tricks, not through illusion, but through pure, deliberate structural geometry. Every beam lifted and every bolt tightened brought this tower closer to its final, unmistakable 18-degree signature. Rigid outrigger beams tied the outer diagrid directly into the central core at key intervals, and these connections transferred enormous forces between the skin of the building and its spine, ensuring that no single part of the structure ever carried more stress than it was designed to bear. One misaligned connection here could compromise the entire load path. Precision at this scale was never optional. It was the only thing standing between balance and collapse. Floor after floor, the exoskeleton climbed higher, and the lean grew more dramatic with every level. At this point, Capital Gate already looked unlike anything else in the city, but structurally, it was still only halfway to becoming what the world would come to know. 18 degrees doesn't happen overnight. It happens one calculated floor at a time, and every single one of those floors had to be perfect. If you're still watching, that means a lot. Subscribing is free, but it means everything to this channel. By floor 30, the lean was unmistakable from every angle of the city. 4 times the tilt of Pisa, achieved not by accident, but by years of structural calculation. Engineers tracked the core's movement daily, confirming the pre-cambered lean was settling exactly as predicted. As the final floors rose, the core inched closer and closer to true vertical alignment. The last major structural piece, the top of the diagrid exoskeleton, was finally lifted into place, completing the frame. The skeleton was complete, 18 degrees, locked into steel and concrete forever. 490 piles below, a pre-cambered core within, and a steel exoskeleton wrapped around it all. 3 systems working together to make the impossible look effortless. But a skeleton isn't a skyscraper. Capital Gate still needed its skin, and what came next would turn this steel giant into one of the most photographed buildings on Earth. A quick subscribe helps us keep telling stories like this one. Thousands of unique triangular glass panels were installed, each one custom cut to fit the tower's curving lean. No 2 panels are exactly alike. Every single one follows the mathematics of the diagrid beneath it. Panel by panel, the diamond pattern climbed the leaning face of the building. This diamond facade isn't just beautiful. It was engineered specifically to minimize desert heat gain. On the sun-facing side, a sweeping steel shading device, nicknamed the Splash, blocks over 30% of direct solar heat. Its flowing shape isn't decorative alone. Every curve was calculated to control light, heat, and airflow. As the glass wrapped the tower completely, the lean became almost hypnotic to look at. Inside, a soaring central atrium floods every floor with natural desert light. 80 meters above the ground, an open-air pool deck seems to float directly off the Leaning Tower's edge. A cantilevered lounge extends outward from the building, a space that shouldn't feel possible, yet does. The upper middle floors house a five-star hotel, wrapped inside the world's most tilted structure, while the floors below take full advantage of the column-free diagrid design for modern office space. Even indoors, the diagrid isn't hidden. It becomes part of the architecture itself. From foundation to rooftop, every design choice served one purpose: making an 18-degree lean feel entirely natural. What began as an empty stretch of desert had become one of the most daring buildings on the planet, and it still wasn't finished. A building this bold demanded the world's attention. If you've made it this far, you clearly love engineering stories. Subscribing helps us make more of them. Before anyone could call it finished, engineers had to prove the lean was exactly what they had designed. Laser surveys measured the tilt down to fractions of a degree, floor by floor. Structural sensors embedded throughout the building continuously tracked movement, wind response, and load distribution. Even in strong desert winds, the tower barely moved, exactly as the diagrid was designed to allow. Every stress test, every simulation, every measurement confirmed what the engineers already believed from the very first sketch. This lean wasn't a risk, it was a triumph, backed by data at every single stage. In 2011, 4 years after the first pile was drilled, Capital Gate was complete. 160 meters tall, 35 stories, 18 degrees of pure engineering confidence. Guinness World Records certified it officially as the world's furthest leaning man-made tower, more than 4 times the lean of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Verified, documented, and undeniable. What was once empty desert had become the most talked about skyline landmark in the entire region. This channel grows because of people like you. Please consider subscribing. It truly means everything to us. Let's break down exactly why this building doesn't fall, because the physics here is genuinely remarkable. It starts below ground, where 490 piles grip the earth against constant westward tension. Inside, the pre-cambered core straightened under its own growing weight, turning a construction challenge into a solution. Outside, the diagrid exoskeleton spreads every gram of load across a web of interlocking triangles. And the staggered floors, each one shifted outward by a few hundred millimeters, added up to a genuine architectural achievement. 4 systems, 1 shared goal. A building that leans on purpose and stands stronger because of it. Even its shadow tells the story, a building that refuses to stand like anything else around it. Every angle of Capital Gate is a reminder that limitations are often just unsolved engineering problems. It didn't simply break a world record, it redefined what architects believed a skyscraper could survive. More than a decade later, the lean hasn't shifted. The engineering held exactly as designed. If you want more builds like this one, subscribing genuinely helps us keep going. Capital Gate didn't just become a hotel and office tower. It became a symbol for an entire district. Positioned deliberately beside the exhibition center, it announces Abu Dhabi's ambition to every visitor who arrives. From flat, empty sand to 160 meters of leaning steel and glass in just 4 years. Every panel, every pile, every ton of steel existed for one single purpose: to prove that 18 degrees was possible. And it worked, not as a gimmick, not as a stunt, but as one of the most respected feats in modern construction. The Leaning Tower of Pisa leaned by accident. Capital Gate leans by design. That single difference is why this building will be studied by engineers for generations to come. Today, it stands as proof that the impossible is often just an engineering problem waiting for the right answer. 490 piles, 1 pre-cambered core, a steel diagrid skin, and 18 degrees of pure intention. This is Capital Gate, and this is what really happened, step by step, to build it. Subscribing to this channel costs you nothing, but it keeps stories like this alive. If you made it this far, You now understand something most people who visit this building never will. That every lean, every angle, every curve here was chosen, never accidental. Engineering like this doesn't happen by luck. It happens through an obsession with getting every single detail right. Somewhere out there, another impossible idea is waiting for someone bold enough to build it. Capital Gate proved that the impossible was often just misunderstood physics. What will the next impossible building be? And who will be bold enough to design it, finance it, and finally build it? Somewhere, right now, an engineer is sketching an idea just as radical as this one once was. Thank you for watching this story of Capital Gate, from an empty stretch of desert to a certified world record, standing proudly on the Abu Dhabi skyline. If you learned something today, that's exactly why this channel exists. Subscribe and join us for the next impossible build, because this is only the beginning. See you in the next one.